tomorrow would be better. A rectangular fish pond has length, width, and height 3 meters, 2 meters, and 2.5 meters respectively. Find the weight of water which fills the pond. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. Just to say that it is very important to know how much water fills the pond. And in other words, we are saying we have to first of all understand the volume. The physical quantity in question here is a volume. The volume of water which has to fill or which can fill the pond, okay? So, if we assume that the pond has a regular shape, then the volume of water necessary to fill the pond will be equal to the volume of the pond. And since the pond is rectangular in shape, we will say volume of pond is going to be equal to the length times the width and then times the height of the pond, which has been given here in meters. We have 3 times 2 and then times 2.5. And if you correctly punch this will give you 15 meters cubed, guys, not square, because we're talking about volume. In other words, for us to have a full pond, we need to pour in 15 meters cubed of water. But they are asking us for the weight of the water which has to fill this. Now, already we know the quantity of water which has to fill this. But we know weight of water or weight is given by mass times gravitational acceleration. You're wondering, where would the mass of the water come from? Dear friends, from density of water, which is equal to 1,000 kilograms per meters cube. According to this density, it means for every meters cube of water that we have, it has a mass of 1,000 kilograms. All right, so in accordance with this, it implies that the volume of the pond will have, or rather the mass of the water which fills the pond, the mass of that water is going to be 15 times 1,000, because if 1 meters cube of water has a mass of 1,000 kilograms, then 15 meters cube of water will have a mass of 15 meters cube times 1,000 grams, which gives us 15,000 kilograms of water. This is the mass of water necessary to fill the pond. Now, having had the mass, we can now find the weight of water which fills the pond. So the weight of that water which fills the pond will be 15,000 kilograms times acceleration due to gravity, which for simplicity's sake will be 10, and this gives us nothing else but 150,000 newtons, because weight is a force. Join me, let's make tomorrow better.